everyone, welcome to day 112 of our 365-day Facebook Live Challenge. Today we are diving into the world of thematic funds and trend investing. If you are watching live or the recording, feel free to leave your comments and questions. Let's start with the basics. As the term thematic indicates, thematic funds invest in a particular theme, that is, they pick sectors and industries that are tied to an idea or a theme. If there is a growing current for a specific theme emerging out of economic trends, then investing in the companies revolving around that theme can be rewarding. Thematic funds managers seek to make the most out of such windows of opportunity. It is an equity fund and is suited best for aggressive investors. Trend investing means buying or selling stocks or other investment based on whether they are going up or down in value. If a stock is going up a lot, people who practice trend investing might buy it, thinking that it will keep going up. But if a stock is going down, they might sell it thinking that it will keep going down. It's about following the market directions. Now, the question is, why should one consider investing in thematic funds? Thematic funds allows investors to invest in specific themes or trends such as clean energy or technology, which can provide potential growth opportunities. These funds can provide diversification within an investment portfolio. Thematic funds can be managed by the experts who have in depth knowledge of the specific theme or trend, which can help to generate higher returns. These funds often have a long term focus, which can help to smooth out market volatility and provide stability to an investment portfolio. Investing in thematic funds can provide investors with access to a range of companies that are driving a specific theme or trend, which can be difficult to access through individual stock picking. Now, before investing in thematic funds, consider these points. The first one, understand the theme. Thematic funds invest in specific themes or trends such as technology, healthcare, renewable energy, or consumer goods. Before investing, thoroughly understand the theme the fund focuses on, including its growth potential, risk, and long term viability. Assess whether the theme aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Second, research fund managers' expertise. Thematic funds require in depth sector expertise and understanding of market trends. Research the fund manager's track record, experience, and expertise in managing thematic funds. A skilled and experienced fund manager can play a crucial role in identifying opportunities and navigating challenges within the chosen theme. Third, evaluate performance. Analyze the historical performance of the thematic fund, including its return compared to relevant benchmarks and peers. Consider both short term and long term performance trends to assess consistency and reliability. However, past performance is not indicative of future results. So use it as one of the general factors, several factors in your decision making process. Fourth, assess risk factors. Thematic funds are inherently more focused and concentrated as compared to diversified funds, which can increase their risk profile. Consider the specific risks associated with the chosen theme, such as regulatory changes, technological advancement, competitive pressure, etc. Assess whether you are comfortable with the level of risk associated with the thematic fund. Fifth, diversification. While thematic funds offer exposure to specific themes or sectors, it is essential to maintain overall portfolio diversification. Avoid over concentration in a single thematic fund, as this can increase portfolio risk. Consider implementing thematic funds with diversified investments across various asset classes and sectors to mitigate risk. Sixth, cost and fees. Evaluate the fees and expenses associated while investing in thematic funds, including management fees, expense ratios, or any other charges. Higher cost can erode returns over time, so choose thematic funds with competitive fees that offer value for money. Seventh, investment horizon. Thematic investment is typically suited for investors with a long-term investment horizon who can withstand short-term volatility. Assess whether your investment horizon aligns with the time horizon of the fund, as some themes may take time to materialize and deliver returns. A. Stay informed. Keep yourself updated on developments within the chosen theme, market trends, and economic factors that may impact the thematic fund's performance. Regularly review your investment thesis and adjust your portfolio as needed based on changing market conditions. So, here are some tips for trend investing. Trend investing and technical analysis are not simple concepts. So it helps to use everything at your disposal and hone your skills. One easy and fun way to test your trade acumen is by using the best investment stimulators out there. Many of these are free. Succeeding in the world of investing can be a challenging task, but you don't have to go it alone. A financial advisor can help you make the right decisions to achieve your personal investing goals. Trained investors or technical analysts pay close attention to stocks moving average. The simple moving average SMA of a security is basically the average price of a security over a specific time span. Let's say that the time span is 200 days. If the price of the stock rises or falls sharply in relation to its 200 days moving average, that could be an indicator the trend may continue. So let's look at the trending patterns. This process involves seeking a pattern in price changes and setting your own parameters. Say you examine a stock price dropping to a low level, then hiking before dropping back down to the previous level. Trained investors call this a support level. Theoretically, this is a point where there is enough demand to keep that stock from dipping below that point. But if it falls further, you may want to exit the stock. Now let's talk about the momentum indicators. Identifying patterns in price movement is one thing, but it also helps to gauge the intensity of those movements in any direction. That is when momentum indicators come in. Some traders measure momentum or the acceleration of a security's price change using the relative strength index, which is called RSI. It helps investors identify when securities are overbought or trading beyond their real value. And it also helps them to pinpoint which are oversold or trading less than their true value. Technical analysts use the RSI to invest in stocks trading with sharp upward movement and exiting when the stock begins to lose momentum. So let's hear from you. Have you invested in thematic funds or trend investing before? What themes or trends are you interested in? Let me know in the comments. To sum up, thematic funds and trend investing offer exciting opportunities but require careful planning. Stay informed, diversify, and have a strategy. Thanks for joining me today. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. See you tomorrow for another live session.